Because when you've got something that you want to do, you've got a goal to achieve, you want to get somewhere, it's easy to give up.
Yeah, of course.
Because things come in, things go wrong.
Yeah.
Okay? And you think, oh, I'm never going to get there. No, you've got to keep on every single day. You've got to keep that focus crystal clear.
Yeah.
And you've got to have that knowing deep down that it's going to work.
Yes.
Even if challenges come in, because that's life.
Yeah, that's right.
Challenges come in.
Yeah.
You know,
that's right.
It's the world, but it's your attitude towards those challenges.
Welcome back to the Lucrative Lady Talk Show with me, your host, Pam Obasa. I'm so excited about today's episode. So I want to say a massive thank you if you are a returning guest and you have watched a different episode. Thank you so much for coming back. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And remember to turn on the bell so that you are the first to see when we launch a new episode. And we publish 3 times a week. Well, my guest on the show today, the amazing Kim Wymer from Happy Days Coaching, is going to be talking all about how the law of attraction works, how to use it to work for you. Now, if I were to ask you, Kim, what are, your 5 rules of success when it comes to, let's say, somebody who has absolutely no idea about the law of attraction or about faith, about the fact that you can literally call things that are not as they are, and they can become those things if you take some specific steps. What are, like your top 5 things that they have to follow?
Yeah. Well, in my world, in my belief system, they're really simple steps, okay? And you can look at them and think, they're too simple.
Okay.
How's that going to work?
Yeah.
But knowing that we are such powerful beings, radiating energy, the first thing I would focus on is to be very, very grateful.
Yes. Oh, I love that.
It's a massive, massive tool. It's simple, but, to be grateful, even if you don't think you've got that much, be very grateful for the little that you have.
Yeah.
Focus on things that you've got to be grateful for.
That's right. Yeah.
Now start off with the roof over your head.
Yeah.
And the clothes on your back.
The things we take for granted. Yeah.
The things we take for granted. The most simplest of things to focus on. Because when you're feeling good and grateful, when you wake up in the morning, you're radiating a good energy.
That's right. That's right.
Think you? Just imagine if they were taken away from you.
Yeah.
How would you feel if you had no roof, if you had no clothes?
Yeah.
If you had no food.
If you didn't have your health.
If you didn't have your health.
Yeah.
How would you feel if they were taken away?
Yeah.
So I'd say that's the first rule of thumb.
Yeah. Yeah.
Being grateful.
Absolutely. Gratitude is just such an important thing. I think that's a universal
Number
law
one.
of itself. So we have gratitude. So so let's say we're going to practice this. You're going to wake up and practically you can get a notepad and start writing down the things that you are grateful for.
Definitely. Add to your list every day.
Add to your list every day. I love it. What else could you do?
Definitely know what you want.
Okay.
Okay. Know what you want, because people know what they don't want.
Yeah.
And they focus on that.
That's right. And then you attract it.
Yeah, and then you attract it. Oh, I hope it don't go wrong. I hope it don't go wrong. I hope this don't happen.
Yeah.
I can see it going wrong.
Oh, and then it does happen.
Don't even do that to yourself. Always focus on what you do want.
Yeah.
Visualizing, we've got powerful minds, powerful brains.
Yes.
Visualize how you want it to go.
Yes.
And feel good about it.
It. And the crazy thing about the knowing part of it, Kim, is that when things do go wrong, negative people would say, oh, I knew it.
Yep.
Or I told you so. Oh, I knew that would happen. Oh, I knew you wouldn't get that job.
They foresaw that happening.
Oh, I knew that would never happen to me. I knew, I would never make any money doing this.
Yeah,
well, of course you knew.
Yeah,
You've attracted.
That's right.
You've attracted it, to you because you believe.
Because you've got that belief.
That's right. That
and
it wouldn't happen.
Knowing deep down that it's not going to go right.
Yes.
That's the switch.
Yes. One of the best books that I've read, amongst many, is Your Wish is Your Command.
Yeah.
And it literally is that your wish, whatever it is that you wish for. Yeah. You can have it.
Yes.
We can be, you can be the creator of that moment based off of what you believe. Brilliant. I love it. So gratitude, know what you want.
Yeah.
What would you say a third one is?
I said visualizing.
Visualizing.
What you
Okay.
want. Yes.
I love it. Okay.
Meditating.
Nice. Mm-hmm.
Meditation helped me so much. I'd say it was a really big tool. They're all big tools, really.
Yeah.
But because it starts with your inner world, your subconscious, if your inner world is chaotic, then it's going to reflect on your outer world.
Yeah.
So because my mind was so chaotic and I was a drinker and I was over it, I had an analysis paralysis.
Yeah.
Lots of people do this.
Lots of people do.
Talking about it, that negative chatter that goes on inside that's driving you mad, like the monkey mind. Yeah. That needed calming down.
Yeah.
So the biggest thing that I ever did was to work on my meditation every single day. And I'd never meditated in my whole life.
And it's difficult to meditate because it's about finding that stillness in your mind that gives you room. And if I'm being completely honest, I still struggle with meditation. And my tool, what I do, instead of struggling to find that stillness, I just replace it with a thought that I actually want. So I just direct my mind and choose what I want to focus on. Because if I can't find the stillness, well, then I can actually just tilt that thinking into what it is that I actually want.
That's right.
Brilliant.
If you feel that you need to meditate, and then you notice that in your mind, then you've got the awareness. That's the key word.
Right.
To switch your thoughts.
Absolutely. Brilliant. Okay. Do you have a last one?
Meditate. Persistence.
Oh,
never giving up.
Yeah.
Because there's something called the chaos theory.
Right.
Because when you've got something that you want to do, you've got a goal to achieve, you want to get somewhere, it's easy to give up.
Yeah, of course.
Because things come in, things go wrong.
Yeah.
Okay? And you think, I'm never going to get there. No, you've got to keep on every single day. You've got to keep that focus crystal clear. And you've got to have that knowing deep down that it's going to work.
Yes.
Even if challenges come in, because that's life.
Yeah, that's right.
Challenges come in.
Yeah.
You know,
that's right.
It's the world, but it's your attitude towards those challenges.
Yes, it is. It really is.
Our attitudes.
Yeah. Because we don't have any control over the things that happen to us.
No, we don't.
But we do have some level of control over how we react.
Our attitude
towards those things. Our attitude. That's right.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah.
And persistence is just such a key one, because when you practice faith or law of attraction, whatever you want to call it, right? You can't just practice it for 1 week.
No.
And then it's like, oh, well, it didn't happen. No. Oh, well, it doesn't work. It's just something that has to be part of your lifestyle.
Yes, it
essentially.
Does. Daily basis.
Daily
Absolutely
basis.
Using the tools on a daily basis. And obviously we're going to have wobbles.
Yeah.
Obviously we're going to have challenges and
Absolutely.
we're going to want to give up.
Yes.
But persistence is the key.
That's
Pick
right.
yourself up every day. It's a new day.
Yeah, that's it. Just do it.
Living in the now. Go for it.
Very quickly, I want to talk about Out of the Shadows, this incredible book. So tell us just a little bit about why you wrote this book and who it is for.
So that was not going to be a book. That was my therapy.
Right.
In the beginning. Because writing things down is so very powerful. Lots of coaches will tell you that. Write it down.
Yeah.
Keep on writing it down. Whatever you want, write it down. Okay, so I used to be quite a really shy, unconfident person.
Yeah.
No voice, being quite suppressed.
Yeah.
As on top of depressed, like there was suppression as well. Didn't have a voice. Wouldn't speak up, wouldn't sort out my problems with my partners. You know, it's just shoving everything under the carpet.
Yes.
And you don't get nowhere like that. There's no, you can't find solutions.
Yeah.
So I started writing things down, and it just popped into my head one day to just start to write. And what's the furthest back you can remember? So I took myself back to a young age, and I just started to write what I could remember. And then I got addicted to writing about what I could remember, and it just carried on. And it really did help me. It brought up all of my emotions.
Yeah.
It brought back lots of memories. It helped me to figure out why this happened, and to find out about people in my life and why they did what they did. It just opened up like a big realisation, really.
Yeah.
And I was really open and honest, and it's sort of like hanging out my dirty washing, if you like.
Yeah.
You
know? It's a bit like journaling.
It was like journaling, but a personal diary.
Yeah.
It wasn't going to be for the world to see.
Right.
But once I'd noticed I'd got everything onto paper, I thought, I think this can help people, because there's probably lots of people out there in the world that are going through stuff like I am, and they're keeping it in. Yeah. And if anyone can see that I am being open and, you know, turning my life around and speaking up, finding my voice, if I can do that, the shyest person in the universe, then anyone can do anything.
Absolutely. And it does do that. It does show you that, you know, if you can do it, you know, so can I. And that's what it is for. Brilliant. Thank you so much, Kim. Really great to have had you. So where can people find the book and find you?
Okay, so the book is on Amazon.
Brilliant.
Or it's on my website as well. So can I mention my website?
Of course you can. Of course you can.
My website is just called kimwymer.com. .com.
Fantastic. We will put it in the description and on the screen so that everybody can find you. Thank you so much, Kim. Really great. And to have had you as a guest on the show talking about this. Incredible. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I've really enjoyed it. Thank you for the invite.
Thank you. Thank you, Lucrative Ladies. Thank you so much for joining us. Go ahead, stalk Kim wherever you can. Find her on her website, on social media, and grab the book. It is available on Amazon. Please make sure you do it because it is incredibly life-changing. Fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us, everyone. It's been amazing to have you. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please make sure that you do hit the subscribe and the bell so that you can get all of the episodes that we throw together in this season. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.